Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make chicken mishkaki. This is chicken that is placed within a skewer. It's smoky, it's grilled, it's delicious, it's wonderful, it's fabulous. It's all those synonyms, all in one. Chicken mishkaki, very popular street snack that when we were in East Africa, in Tanzania, we were in Dar es Salaam, it was in Ringa, you know, big wave to all of you guys that are watching from that part of the world. Great culture of actually having these types of street food, and it's just fabulous. When you have it, it just tastes extraordinary. It tastes out of this world, and that's the region of food, or that's the part of the world where food is absolutely right at the very top. Got some chutney, green mint chutney, placed it on the side, dipped it within that. It had some of those onions that were finely grilled as well, and just biting into a succulent chicken, absolutely mesmerizing. Good for you. Let's move on to a recipe now. Okay, you saw us making this wonderful dish. And with that said, like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, hit the notification bell icon so that you're informed of our daily releases, share this content to as many people as possible, comment below whether you are going to try this out or whether you have any requests, because we do for people requests. And with that said, catch you in the next one.